students. Today we are going to learn about grammar part, that is pronouns. Students, do you know what is pronouns? A word used in a place of a noun, that is called pronouns. In Kannada, Sarvanama. Students, what are the words of pronouns? Yes, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. These are the words or pronouns, right? Yes. How to use these pronouns? Let me discuss in today's class. Okay, dear? Today's topic is pronouns. What is pronoun? A word we use in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Here are some short words like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are some common pronouns. Use of he, she and I. We use he, she and I with singular people. For example, he is my father. He, we use for a boy or a man. She is my sister. She has blue eyes. She we use for a girl or a woman. When we talk about herself, then we use I. I am a boy. We use of you. You we use for singular and plural both persons. For example, you are a nice man. You are good students. Use of I. When we say something about person, then we use I. For example, I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I love to play with toys. I have many friends. Use of we. We use with plural nouns. For example, Riya, Geeta, Piya, Ram and I are friends. Riya, Geeta, Piya, Ram and I we can replace with we. We play together. We are very happy. Use of they. They we use with plural nouns for plural animals, people. For example, the dogs are running. The dogs we can replace with they. They are on the road. A boy and a girl has a ball. A boy and a girl we can replace with they. They are playing. Use of he. He we use for a singular person, for a man or a boy. For example, my uncle is very nice. My uncle we can replace with he. He goes to office. He is punctual. Use of she. She we use for a singular person, for a girl or a woman. For example, my mother is very sweet. My mother replaced with she. She cooks tasty food. She loves me. Use of it. It we use with singular, animal, thing and place. For example, the cat is my small. The cat we replace with it. It is very cute. Bag is a thing. The bag is full. Bag we replace with it. It is pink in color. And other examples of place. The park is big. The park will replace with it. It is very beautiful. Students, have you understood today's class? Yes. What we have discussed in today's class? Yes. What is pronouns and where we use these pronouns, right? So, these are all about the pronouns. Have you understood? Yes. Students, hope you all understood students. Thank you.